Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS 17 or later, and both participants must be on compatible devices. Once that's confirmed, open Settings and enable live translation for FaceTime. Next, start the FaceTime call and invite the other person. Once the call connects, look for the Translate icon on screen, tap it to activate live spoken translation. You're doing this now so the app can request microphone access and language preferences. Make sure you select source and target languages before proceeding so the live stream can translate immediately. Once Translate is active, set the source and target languages, choose the language the other person will speak and the language you want to hear. You must grant microphone and speech recognition permissions so live translation can capture and process audio in real time. Next, adjust speech speed and caption size to suit conversation pace. Slower speech reduces errors. Once those settings are applied, test with a short phrase and confirm the translated audio or captions appear for both parties before moving into longer dialogue. To finish, continue your conversation while monitoring translated audio and captions. If translations are clear, proceed normally. If you notice lag or misinterpretations, ask the speaker to slow down, then toggle live translation off and on. This often clears streaming glitches. If problems persist, restart FaceTime or the device and ensure both ends have a strong Wi-Fi or 5G connection. One key troubleshooting tip: network instability is the most common cause, so move to a better signal area before retrying the call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.